Hello dear fans. What are coniferous trees? The group of conifers has a very ancient history. They appeared on Earth over 300 million years ago. Modern conifers are woody plants, including trees and shrubs. The most famous species are pines, spruce, fir, cedar, larch, sequoia, cypress. Types of conifers. Coniferous forests grow on all continents and often form entire biosystems within one climatic zone, such as taiga. The class of conifers includes several families: pine, cypress, araucaria, podocarp/legcarp, yew. Sometimes, the families of Cephalotus and Taxodiaceae are also distinguished. The pine group is extensive and includes more than 120 species of pine, spruce, fir, cedar, larch, hemlock. The cypress group includes the cypresses themselves, junipers, sequoia and thuja, trees and shrubs with cross-opposing and whorled leaves. Araucariaceae are Araucaria, agathis, Bulimia, yew, torreya. What is typical for conifers? Trees are divided into broadleaf and coniferous leaf types. In the latter, leaves are rigid, needle-shaped, scaly, or flat in the form of stripes. Often the color of the needles is dark green for maximum absorption of light from weak sunlight in cold climates or dense forests. Most large conifers are characterized by a large, straight trunk and a conical crown, when the lower branches are longer and wider than the upper ones. If the forest is dense and there is a lack of light, the lower branches die off over time, and the lower part of the trunk remains free of twigs. Conifers belong to the class of gymnosperms, wind-pollinated plants. Male and female cones, strobilia, grow on the trees. Microspores from the male strobilus are carried by the wind to the female ones and pollinate them, as a result of which seeds develop. When the scales of the cones open, the seeds fall into the ground, and are also carried by birds and animals. Most conifers are evergreens with the same leaves lasting 2 to 40 years. Exceptions include larch, pseudolarch, metasequoia, taxodium, and glyptostrobus, which shed their leaves in the fall and hibernate without them. Interesting facts. Coniferous trees perfectly purify the air, provide healing essential oils and valuable wood, and also produce the resin from which the so popular amber is obtained. Their benefits and importance for the environment can hardly be overestimated. Almost all record trees on the planet are conifers. The longest living record holder is a long-lived pine from California. Judging by the number of trunk rings, it is 4,700 years old. The tallest coniferous species is evergreen sequoia, native to the western United States, reaching over 115 meters in height. The tree with the thickest trunk, the Mexican taxodium, has a diameter of 11.42 meters. The giant sequoiadendron, with a total volume of 1,486.9 cubic meters, is the largest tree. But the New Zealand dwarf pine is known for its diminutiveness. Usually it reaches no more than 8 centimeters in height. Thanks for watching.